Okay, guys, I'm so excited for this video. I can't speak, I can't think, I can't do anything. So about 11 days ago, I ordered something from the USA, and today I got it. It's in this package. Motherfucker, I can't open it! Okay, let's calm down. Breathe, Michelle. Breathe. You can do this. No, I can't. Okay, so today I'm going to review the basket case eyeliner, and I'm crying, oh my god. I've never been this excited about anything in my entire life. I'm shaking right now, okay? Okay, girl, take a chill pill. So, this is the new Kat Von D eyeliner, the basket case eyeliner. It's limited edition. It's a collaboration with the most awesome man in the universe, Billie Joe Armstrong. Do you see this? Do you see this package? Look! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! This is so fun, this is so much fun, oh my god. I'm so sorry about the hype about this. When I'm really excited about something, I can't hide it. I can't. It's one of my many fine qualities in life. The reason why I'm so shocked with this is because obviously I'm a massive fan of makeup, but I'm also a massive fan of Green Day. I love Green Day with all my heart, and when Kat Von D teased about this, I lost my fucking mind. I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm so amazed with this. My cat is crazy. Yeah, he is. He said it himself. There you go. Okay, so on their website, they're writing this about the product itself. Basket case anti-precision eyeliner glides on creamy with plenty of playtime. That means you can build, blend, smudge, and smoke it out to achieve your desired look, all before it sets in place for unstoppable wear. All it takes is one swipe of this chubby pencil to deliver maxed out ultra black pigment, making basket case the perfect tool for super fast lining all around the eyes. Leave it be or blend it out with your fingers. When it comes to eyeliner, the messier, the better. Amen, sister. Eyeliner is the best thing ever! Oh, that's so sweet. They have a kind of a did you know thing on the website, and it says Kat and Billie Joe tested this eyeliner themselves to make sure it's the ultimate tool to achieve Billie Joe's famous look. Girl, I know. I stalked their Instagram. I'm sorry about the fangirl moment. I can't control myself. I'm so sorry you had to see that side of me. But you know, I'm still charming, aren't I? And since this is kind of Billie Joe's... Oh my god, I dropped you, I'm so sorry! So I'm going to do a first impression of this little cutie right here. And since it's a basket case eyeliner, it's a Green Day eyeliner, it's Billie Joe's eyeliner, you know, I'll have to do like an inspired look by Billie Joe himself, which I'm really good at because I used to rock them smoky eyes every single day when I was a teenager. I know this shit. I actually already have a Billie Joe inspired makeup tutorial here on my channel. It was like one of the first videos that I posted on this channel. And if you want to see it, I'll link it down below so you can watch it. But today I'm taking some inspiration from the American Idiot era, because I think that's when he had the most eyeliner. That was really cool, that was so cool. So yeah, I want a lot of eyeliner, so I'll do that. So I'm just gonna open this little baby up here. Take a look. Damn, that's thick. Wow. That's what she said. I'm going to put it on my waterlines, the upper and the bottom. And a little trick when you do that is to place the eyeliner on the lower waterline and then you close your eye. And just wiggle it. Yeah, it's black already. Let's see how it looks under the eyes. Damn, girl! Oh bro, you weren't kidding with this. My god. I'm just going to blend it out and see how it works with blending. Oh shit. Damn guys, this is really dark. I love it. Wow. I kind of want a grungy look with this. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but I want it to be like blended. In the American Idiot era, he had a lot of eyeliner going on under his eyes, and I kind of wanna beat that. I like that it's blending out kind of bluish. And I'm gonna take some on my lash line. It feels like you don't need to set this. It kind of sets itself. Because, yeah, it's dry. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of liquid eyeliner as well. And I'm going to use this colorful eyeliner from Isadora. It's black. Just gonna do a little flick. If I can do that. Like that. I'm just gonna do my other eye and then I will be right back. Boom! Oh my god! This is so cool! Wow. I look really tired, but it's okay. It's okay. So I'm just gonna put on some mascara and I'm using the Wet n Wild Max Volume. I'm just gonna put on some lashes and I'm using Sweet lashes. This is the Pro Lashes in Bomdia. Then I'm gonna put on some glitter, and I'm using Moonwake from Linda Hallberg's Enchanted Secrets palette. Then I'm gonna put on some highlight, and I'm using Sleek. Then I'm using Buxom lip polish in Dolly. So guys, here you have it. This is really cool. This really reminds me of my 13-year-old self, just starting to do makeup. And I did it like this, not like this, but you know, kind of. I actually only used foundation and eyeliner when I was 13, so it didn't look that good, but in my head it did. So what are my thoughts on this eyeliner pencil? I actually think that it's really good. It is really good, and I'm not just saying that because it's Billie's. I'm not. It is really good. It's pitch black. It blends out really good. But just look for yourself. Look for yourselves. And if you're a Greenie fan who likes makeup, you should really buy this. Or if you're not a Greenie fan, which I hope you are, because what are you doing here if you're not? What I'm trying to say is that I'm sure that everyone is going to love this, because it is a really good, I don't know if I could say kohl pencil, but kind of. It's a smudge eyeliner. It's very good. It retails for $19, and if you live in Sweden it costs 20 extra to get it here, but it's so worth it. I hope you liked this video and that I didn't scare you off with my behavior. I just really have been looking forward to this. This is like the best thing ever that happened to the makeup world. And it's limited edition, so if you want it you should get your hands on it, because it might never come back. And I'm kind of sad, because when I run out of this I am going to cry. I do hope with all my heart that this will stay, or they will bring it back when it's no more. Because Kat Von D doesn't have a like eyeliner pen in her collection. This is the first one, I think. And it was a real hit because it sold out like a couple of hours after I got it. So, you know, people want it. Why not give it to us? I just feel like my teenage self right now. I was an angry teenager, kind of rebellic. I don't know, I wanted people to be scared of me. Although they weren't, because I was kind of a nerd. Still am. But I love it. Anyway, so if you liked this video, then give it a thumbs up. And if you like me, then why don't you comment something nice and we could be friends. And if you want to see more of me, then please subscribe to my channel. And hopefully I will see you in my next video. But for now, I'll have to say goodbye. Because life's a bitch and so am I. The world owes me, so fuck you. No, just kidding. I love you guys. Bye!